everyone, I'm introducing algebraic flowcharts to help you to understand what is exactly the algebraic expression, okay? For example, I'm just going to start this by doing these questions, and then you'll get a good idea of what's going on. Complete the following flowchart. So basically, if I have an x here, and I want to times 2 of the x. So basically is x times 2. But as previous lessons, we know that we can actually write as in the algebraic expression 2x. And that's equivalent of 2 times x, okay? And then I want to plus 5. So 2x then plus 5. What does that mean is x will go through times 2 and then plus 5, okay? Second one, x has to plus 5 first. And then I have to times 2. Now here is the tricky part. If I want to times 2, I have to times this whole thing by 2. Not really just x or not really 5. So I really have to use a bracket here. 2 times x plus 5. Okay. And the third one is the same. X takes 3. And then the whole thing will be divided by 2. So that's 2x takes 3. Okay, if you write in the fractional form, you do not really need a bracket on top because x takes 3 as a whole is on top. Okay, and let's have a look at the last one. X divided by 2. And again, we're using fractional form in algebra. We don't really use division sign a lot, and then take 3. X take 2 divided by 2, take 3. Okay. Another question. You have to draw your flowchart by yourself to show how 5x plus 2 is built up. So if you think about this process, so basically this is like factory. What I want to do to x, I'll just times 2 here, and then assemble a 5 plus 5 here. Okay, so this flowchart is actually like a factory of what I want to do here. We could actually compare this one and then be able to do that one. So x has to be times 5. Therefore, I've got 5x. Okay, and then plus 2. I've got 5x plus 2. Okay, so this is just to build up. If I want to undo it, okay, I have to reverse it. So basically, if I want to build up, I start with x, but if I want to undo it, I have to start from 5x plus 2. So basically, I times 5 and then plus 2. So how about let's just take away 2. Okay. How about let's just take away 2. So that will be 5x plus 2 take 2, that's 5x. And then I can divide 5. Then it will be 5x divided by 5 is x. And that will result in my x. Okay? This is a reverse, which is undo. Similarly here, using a flowchart to show this is how to build up. So basically, if I have an x and then I want to plus a 3, that will be x plus 3 and divide 2, and then it will give me x plus 3 divided by 2, sorry, divided by 2, okay? And if I want to, this is a build up. If I want to undo, I have to use whatever the product is of that factory, and then keep writing 3, and then because it's divided by 2, so I have to times by 2, so that's x plus 3, and then I added 3 before, so I have to take away 3. All good? Okay.